Good morning everyone. I am Karuna Yadav, Faculty of IT Department, Biyani Group of Colleges welcomes you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today here I am to discuss a topic, translation transformation. First, the question arises, what do you mean by translation transformation? Translation transformation means repositioning of a point. That is, if we have a point P with coordinates xy in xy plane, then if this point is shifted by a certain distance and it becomes shifted by a certain distance and the point comes to a new location. Let us see how. We have an xy plane here. In this we have point xy and we have to translate this point xy by translation factor tx in x direction and ty in y direction. After shifting this point, the new location of the point becomes p dash, x dash, y dash. Okay? So now we will learn how the equation can be transformed from this diagram. So by geometry we get to know that x dash is equals to x plus tx. But how? Okay, we have this much distance is x and the point is shifted by tx. So the total area covered by point p dash from origin to x dash will be x plus tx. Similarly, we can have for y also. This is the distance of point P, that is y. Okay. Now the point is shifted in y direction by ty distance. So the total area covered by point P dash will be this y plus ty. So y dash will be equal to y plus ty and x dash will be equal to x plus tx. Now how we will represent these equations in matrix form? In matrix form, these equations will be represented like the left hand side we have x dash y dash. In right hand side, both these equations will be represented in this form. Here we have the identity matrix 1 0 0 1, which will be multiplied by xy and then added to tx ty. So this is all about translation software. For more information, log on to GuruKPO.com. Thank you and thank you.